Hi beautiful souls, and welcome to this video. If you've been feeling tired, drained, or like your energy just disappears without reason, you are not alone. But what if the cause isn't physical? And what if the root lies in your energy body? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful and maybe even surprising reasons why you might have no energy. And of course, how shamanic healing can support you in finding your vitality again. Let's dive in. The first reason is lost soul parts. In shamanism, we believe that through trauma or deep emotional shock, parts of our soul can split off. And then when this happens, the power and the strength and the energy they used to give us for being able to fulfill our soul plan is suddenly not there anymore. Yeah. So this energy, this power is not there anymore because parts of your soul split off. So I will explain exactly how it happens, why it happens in another video. But for now, you should understand that when parts of our soul split off, we can feel empty. We can feel like scattered and chronically tired. Like a part of ourselves is missing, which actually it is missing. So I often help people retrieve these soul parts in a shamanic ritual called soul retrieval. And this ritual is really very, very healing, and it can change many aspects of your life. So if you have experienced painful situations like accidents, trauma, heavy breakups, any kind of abuse or a deep loss, there are probably some soul parts missing. And of course, you can get them back in a soul retrieval ritual. Check out my homepage for more information. Reason number 2 is sex. Yes, you heard it right. Or actually, sexual energy exchange. So every time we have sex, we create energetic cords with the other person and we exchange energy with them through these cords. And if that person is carrying a lot of heavy weight, like a lot of trauma or a lot of energetic blockages, you are not just connecting with their body, you are connecting with their energetic baggage. For example, for women especially, the womb, can become very overloaded if the partner has a lot of heavy energetic or emotional issues, or if this woman has several sex partners. This is like too much for the womb. And which kind of issues she could have? She could have like menstrual issues, fibroids, and basically anything in the womb area. And for men, well, when a woman cannot fully open to him, like emotionally and sexually, the man will give her a lot of his energy, like he will send her a lot of these energy cords, but he won't receive much in return. And of course, he will miss his energy. So that's why many men feel completely drained after sex, not just sleepy, but like completely exhausted. And these cords, they can stay active for up to 7 years. Even if you break up with the other person and you don't see the other person anymore, the cords stay there until up to 7 years. So it's not about being prudish, it's about being conscious with your body and with your energy. We should be very conscious about choosing our partners with whom we share our body and our energy. Sensuality can be sacred and very fun without sacrificing our life force. So the third reason is when foreign energies or foreign beings attach to your body or to your energy field. So sometimes foreign energies, even spirits of people who have passed, they can attach to us. So it is like other beings are living inside your energy system. And these beings, they're not necessarily evil, yeah? So it could even be like your super sweet grandmother, but that doesn't matter because these beings, they feed off your energy in order to stay alive, like to stay present in this 3D dimension. So if you suddenly feel heavy, anxious, or like you're not really yourself. Yeah, you're not fully yourself. You're not full, like in your full power. This might be a reason. And clearing the spirits in a safe and loving way is part of the shamanic path. And of course, I can help you with that. Number 4, your food doesn't match your frequency. So you might be eating something healthy. What other people like scientists or industries told you it is healthy to eat, but the vibration of the food doesn't match your own current state. Listen, scientists don't know you. They don't know your energy field. They don't know which kind of food you need right now to be able to fulfill your soul plan. This is something which is very individual. And even if something is considered healthy, it can actually lower your energy because we are all unique energetic beings. And that's why sometimes in my shamanic sessions, I ask my spirit guides, what should this person eat? What should my client eat? Because believe me, no one size fits all diet can truly nourish your soul. And the 5th reason, old energetic trash. Your energy field might be full of past experiences, emotions, wounds, old relationships, and even ancestral patterns. All this creates kind of a fog that blocks your natural life force from flowing freely. And with energetic cleansing, this all can be released. And suddenly you feel lighter, brighter, and more alive. If any of these reasons resonates with you, know that there is a path to healing. You don't have to keep carrying what isn't yours. You deserve to feel full of life again, to get your power back, to get your energy back. So reach out to me if you are ready to clear the path back to your radiant self. And if this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to join me in this shamanic journey. I'm sending you a lot of love and light, and I wish you a wonderful journey to yourself.